Hi, in this tutorial we'll be talking about how to use Google Classroom. This first lesson in Google Classroom will cover how to set up a classroom and invite students. So the very first thing that you need to do is create a classroom. To do that, you simply click on this plus button and click Create Class. I'm going to be making a classroom for my Year 7 Catholic Studies class. So I will type in the name of the class, 7R Catholic Studies. And click Create. It'll just take a minute to create the classroom. And there's my new 7R Catholic Studies classroom. So what I'll be doing with this is you can, in the bottom right hand corner here, you can change the theme of this background. So at the moment it's a bit of a soccer theme. I'd like it to be a little bit more religious and less sporty. So there's a variety of themes that you can choose from. Perhaps a nice galaxy, or a nice galaxy is a bit creation-like. So I'll select that background. And that's my new background. I could, if I like, upload a photo. And to do that, I would just select the photo from my drive. In this case, I'm not going to worry about a photo. So the very next thing that you would need to do in your Google Classroom is to invite students. To do that, you would just click on the Students tab and you would select Invite Students. Now, I have previously sent my Year 7 Catholic Studies class an email, so I already have a group for them set up in Hapara. So I will just type that group in, TD, and there's my Year 7 Catholic Studies class, so I'll select that group. And I would click on Invite. And now it is inviting all of my Year 7 class to join the classroom. So there's all of my students from Year 7R, and you can see that they have an invited comment beside them. Once the students accept my invitation, then that invited will disappear and they'll be a part of the classroom. If you haven't used Hapara before, that's okay. What you could do to invite students is when you are in class with the students, you could tell them to go into Google Classroom, and they would enter this class code. Once they entered that class code, then they would join the class. In another tutorial, in a separate tutorial, I'll cover sending an email with Hapara so that you can create an email list, as I have done. So that's pretty well it in terms of creating your classroom and inviting students. In the next tutorial, we'll look at how to set up assessment or how to set up assignments in Google Classroom.